RETO stock analysis and RETO stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. I mean, having done 37,000 videos, having spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, I know what's making me money and what's not. So with the ReTo Eco Solutions, it's just, you know, I've already made a video on it, so this is how my bias looks like. But unless it starts giving me some proper shifts above this range of above like $1.10, then it's really not going to be like a bullish something, like nothing for me. More so, you know, look, I have a line pointing towards the downside, which means I'm probably not bullish. We have an upcoming earnings report, which was, it was not earnings, my bad. But we have an upcoming reverse split tomorrow. So the drawing is about to change, but like I said, still, theoretically, if I see a double break, I'm still looking to take things lower. So yeah, it really depends whether we break the highs or the lows first, because we're not going to stay here and just consolidate forever. One's going to give. Stay tuned. And if you want to make more money consistently trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. That's free sauce.